Hello and welcome to another day with the Day Tradestor. On this channel, every day I record my trades, both my sells and my buys within a swing trading strategy. And my swing trading strategy is to possibly find stocks that might be on a run for several weeks or several months. And the reason I make these videos is to help people who are in the markets but they're not profitable, and also to help inspire people to enter the markets. And on our 3-month chart of the S&P 500, if we go to today's candle, you'll see that we are at an all-time high. We were only a few dollars from opening at an all-time high, but we currently are at an all-time high, and we're most likely probably going to close at an all-time high for the S&P 500. Now, just like yesterday, we don't have any stocks that hit any of their sell triggers when the market's going up like this. We either have very few or no stocks that hit our sell triggers. And the reason that is because most of our stocks that we have in this swing trading strategy are S&P 500 stocks. 3/4 of the stocks that we have are absolutely straight up S&P 500 stocks. The other 25% are good small and mid cap stocks that are high quality. And the reason I choose to have S&P 500 stocks because these stocks are stocks that I plan on holding for decades. I just like to both day trade and swing trade the quote-unquote long-term holdings. That way I maximize my potential profits over the years. And for those of you who might be following me and maybe making and copying some of these trades that I'm making, it's all good when we have days where we don't sell anything through our swing trading strategy because our stocks are going up and our portfolio is increasing in value. And since we don't have any stocks that hit our sell triggers today, we do have a little bit of money that we could work with. One of my day trading stocks hit a sell trigger and we were able to sell that. However, I was not able to buy back in because the current price is lower than a point that I'd like to actually be purchasing any stocks. So we're going to take that $590 and put that to use. And we're going to look at Roku. Roku hit a buy alert. And the reason we hit a buy alert on Roku was 2 days ago. We had price move across and up above our fast moving average. We had price continuation yesterday. Now, it is a stock that I have been day trading. That's what all these bubbles are. But I did not have any additional money to capitalize and max out all of the shares to fill all of the 4 books that I like to have. Now, we do have a continuation of this cross, even though it's a red candle. So we're going to take that money, that $590, and we're going to use that to capitalize and maximize all of the shares that we could purchase for Roku. And with Roku, I like to max out at 8 shares, and that would be 2 shares per book. So we're going to purchase 4 shares, 2, 3, 4, and that's going to be roughly $400. And we've got roughly $400. That leaves us another $190 left to purchase other additional stocks. Now, we do have a stock several days ago that we weren't able to buy. We did not have enough money, but we'll take a look at that. And that is Bank of America, BAC. And you can see several days ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days ago, we had price move above our fast moving average. Bank of America is in a strong upward trend, and it's going to be even more of an upward strong trend because yesterday the Fed chair reduced the interest rates by 1/4 point. And as those rates drop over the next few months and years, the banks are going to be far more profitable. So we're getting in. I'm getting in. If you choose to follow me and copy some of my trades, then you might consider getting in and purchasing Bank of America here. It is not a recommendation. I'm just showing you what I do, and I'm also showing you how profitable I am. But we're going to go ahead and max out. We currently already have 3 books. Each book has 4 shares. So we're going to purchase 4 more shares of Bank of America at $52.14. Now that's a little bit over 150. We went over by $50, but that's fine. I don't like buying stocks unless I can capitalize and maximize and fill each book. And in this particular case, I needed 4. So now we're maxed out at 16. Now you can see Bank of America is a stock that I have been day trading. I try to trade all of the stocks that I have that are actually going up. I just recently changed that to trying to make a little bit more money. At first, at the beginning of my creating these videos several weeks ago, a couple months ago, I only tried to trade 32 of my stocks throughout the day. But I figured out a way to trade a little bit more efficiently that took less time. So I've been able to bring in more stocks that I can use as a day trading, but I am not trying to teach you day trading. I'm showing you swing trading. And if you are following me, then any stocks that you did purchase are going up. And we're going to look for opportunities to sell those in the future. But we're done for the day. We are done with our Thursday trades. All right, so we'll take a quick look at our short list of what we did. We didn't sell anything. We didn't place any sell orders. We bought Roku and Bank of America, or at least I did, and maybe you did too. Or maybe you're going end of day. It's now 4 o'clock on Thursday afternoon. I'm not making a recommendation for you to buy either one of these stocks. I am buying these for my portfolio, for my trading purposes. I believe that they're going to go up over time, especially now that we have interest rates being reduced over time, starting with the first 25% or 0.25%. And because of that, I'm just showing you my trades. I want to try to help you and help those of you be profitable or start a trading portfolio or an investment portfolio, more importantly. I'm trying to create videos for those of you who are who work every day in jobs that don't offer a retirement account. I'm showing you that you can be profitable, and you may want to consider opening up your own account. And at a minimum, you'll at least learn my strategy by watching my videos, and you can implement those into your own trading practices. Again, I'm suggesting if you open a retirement account that you don't do any of the day trading that I'm doing. These videos are specifically to show you how to swing trade, and a swing trade can take weeks or even months to actually become fruitful. And now that we're done with that, I'll show you my results for the day. Here are our trading results for today. So for today was a really good day for me on the day trading, since I'm started trading almost all of the stocks that I own through multiple strategies in this account. I made $1,209.76. Again, all of that is through day trading. And in order to achieve that amount, I moved $85,000 worth of stocks, buying in and out and in and out and in and out, all totaling $85,000. The portfolio performance to date in this account, on this new account, is 5.01% compared to the S&P 500 at 3.08%. And the previous account, where I had to transfer all of the funds and cash out of this account into the new account, was performing at 16.26 compared to the S&P 500 at 10.54. And when we add these up, the total for my account is 21.27% compared to the S&P 500 at 13.62%, which means I am performing 7.65% better than the S&P 500. Now, I know that's not a true indication of the swing trading strategy, going to close these down, that I'm trying to show you how to do and to show you that I'm profitable with the swing trading strategy. Right now, I don't have a way. I have not put everything into a spreadsheet or any type of list of the stocks that I've purchased and sold within the swing trading strategy itself. Now, if we just account for the swing trading strategy itself, the portfolio growth that I'm currently realizing will not be as great as it is, but it still is better than the S&P 500, which means that if you choose to start following some of my trades, then you possibly could be also outperforming the S&P 500. And that is what my goal is, to teach you and show you how to use this simple swing trading strategy. So we'll go back to the SPX chart, the S&P 500, and we closed today at $6,631.96, which is an all-time high for the S&P 500. And that's everything for today. So we're done. This Thursday is over, and I hope you all have an absolutely amazing rest of your Thursday afternoon.